Imagine holding a device in one hand that possesses more raw processing power than most pro-level laptops on the market today, featuring a display so fluid and vibrant that it completely redefines portable media consumption, all while sipping power from an ultra-efficient next-generation silicon architecture. For years, compact tablet enthusiasts have been forced to settle for compromised hardware, reused display panels, and delayed feature rollouts. But behind closed doors, a massive architectural shift is officially underway that will fundamentally alter what a pocket-sized workstation can achieve. The sheer volume of supply chain reports, CAD schematics, and insider telemetry surrounding the upcoming iPad Mini 8 suggests that Apple is not just incrementalizing this lineup anymore. They're quietly preparing to unleash the ultimate ultra-compact powerhouse. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. If you have been holding off on upgrading your mobile workflow or debating whether compact tablets still have a place in an era of massive foldables, what is coming with the iPad Mini 8 will completely change your perspective on handheld computing. To understand why the iPad Mini 8 is shaping up to be such a monumental release, we first have to examine the radical display overhaul that supply chain analysts have been tracking across primary manufacturing facilities. For generations, the smaller form factor suffered from noticeable limitations, including screen tearing, subpar contrast ratios, and the infamous jelly scrolling phenomenon that frustrated power users worldwide. Internal documents and display panel orders confirm that the iPad Mini 8 is finally making the leap to a custom-engineered tandem OLED panel with full promotion support, offering dynamic refresh rates ranging all the way from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. This single upgrade fundamentally changes how you interact with the screen. Scrolling through massive PDFs, sketching in digital illustration suites, or navigating complex timelines becomes instantaneously responsive. The dual-stack OLED tech ensures deep, ink-like blacks, hyper-accurate color accuracy for HDR video editing, and peak brightness levels that easily overpower direct sunlight. By eliminating the structural layer causing screen lag, the iPad Mini 8 creates a seamless tactile connection where the digital ink literally feels like it's flowing directly under your fingertips. Underneath this breathtaking display lies an absolute monster of a system on a chip designed to push ultra-portable performance into uncharted territory. Leaked benchmarks and silicon wafer allocations indicate that the iPad Mini 8 will be powered by a specialized variant of the A19 Pro chip, manufactured on an advanced 2-nanometer process node. This architectural breakthrough allows billions of additional transistors to be packed into the same micro-thin footprint, delivering a massive jump in multi-core CPU performance while dramatically reducing thermal output. For creative professionals, photo editors, and mobile gamers, this translates into unprecedented sustained performance without throttling. Imagine editing multiple streams of 4K ProRes footage, running real-time 3D rendering engines, or playing console-grade AAA video titles in the palm of your hand without feeling the back casing turn into an iron skillet. The iPad Mini 8 is engineered from the ground up to handle high-sustained workloads with whisper-quiet thermal efficiency, bridging the gap between ultra-portable tablet mobility and desktop-class computational firepower. Hardware power means very little without specialized software to back it up, and that brings us to the massive artificial intelligence integration driving the software ecosystem of the iPad Mini 8. Built with an upgraded multi-core neural engine, this compact powerhouse is optimized to run full-scale local machine learning models without needing a constant cloud connection. On the iPad Mini 8, real-time audio transcription, intelligent context tracking across multiple applications, offline generative photo editing, and automated workflow assistance happen instantly on device. The sheer speed of hardware-accelerated AI on a device this size opens up completely new possibilities for students, travelers, and field professionals. You can summarize dense research papers, isolate voice tracks from complex audio recordings, or transform quick handwritten Apple Pencil notes into formatted, actionable data structures in milliseconds. The iPad Mini 8 does not just respond to your inputs. It actively anticipates your next creative step, acting as an ultra-responsive digital co-pilot tailored entirely to your personal habits. When you look at the physical architecture and industrial design of the iPad Mini 8, Apple is executing a refined vision that maximizes thermal distribution while shedding unnecessary physical weight. The chassis utilizes a lightweight aerospace-grade titanium aluminum composite frame, giving the casing incredible structural rigidity without adding bulk to your pocket or bag. The bezels surrounding the OLED display have been scaled down uniformly, allowing for a slightly larger display canvas without increasing the overall physical footprint of the tablet. Every curve, speaker grille, and button placement on the iPad Mini 8 has been deliberate. Dual landscape stereo speakers have been re-engineered with custom microdrivers, producing rich low-end bass frequencies and crisp spatial audio staging that immerses you completely during media playback or audio editing sessions. The relocation of the front-facing camera to the landscape edge makes video calls, virtual meetings, and landscape productivity setups far more natural, ensuring you remain perfectly centered in every frame. Power management and battery longevity have always been critical pain points for compact devices, but the iPad Mini 8 addresses this through a multi-tiered efficiency strategy. By combining the hyper-efficient architecture of the 2-nanometer chip, the variable refresh rate of the tandem OLED panel, and higher density solid-state battery chemistry, the iPad Mini 8 delivers multi-day standby performance and extended active screen-on time. You can go through an intense workday filled with cloud syncs, video playback, document annotation, and wireless connectivity tests without constantly scanning the room for a wall outlet. Furthermore, the upgraded USB-C port on the iPad Mini 8 now supports Thunderbolt speeds, enabling ultra-fast file transfers directly to external SSDs and effortless single-cable connectivity to high-resolution external monitors. This turns your compact iPad Mini 8 into a fully functional desktop station the second you plug it in at your desk. Wireless connectivity on the iPad Mini 8 is receiving a comprehensive future-proof upgrade with the inclusion of custom Wi-Fi 7 silicon and advanced 5G modem integration. Whether you're downloading gigabytes of raw photography assets in the middle of a busy airport or streaming high bitrate video project from remote cloud servers, the iPad Mini 8 ensures ultra-low latency and maximum bandwidth stability. The cellular model incorporates next-generation satellite communication features, allowing for off-grid location pinging, emergency SOS protocols, and basic messaging capabilities when you're completely isolated from cell towers. This level of connectivity transforms the iPad Mini 8 into the ultimate survival and work tool for digital nomads, outdoor content creators, and remote professionals who simply cannot afford to lose access to their digital infrastructure. The Apple Pencil ecosystem designed for the iPad Mini 8 elevates precision input to an unprecedented level for artists and note-takers alike. Featuring upgraded haptic feedback motors, ultra-low latency response times, and barrel roll sensor arrays, using the stylus on the new OLED surface replicates the natural tactile friction of physical paper. The iPad Mini 8 introduces localized magnetic inductive charging along the frame, ensuring your stylus stays firmly attached while replenishing battery power faster than ever. Smart software integration allows the system to recognize hover gestures with pinpoint precision, showing you exact brush shadows, color blends, and preview selections before the tip even touches the glass surface. Whether you are annotating quick PDF schematics on a construction site or sketching intricate digital artwork on a flight, the iPad Mini 8 delivers an intuitive, friction-free creative platform. Camera systems on tablets are often overlooked, but the iPad Mini 8 turns this traditional narrative upside down with a highly capable camera suite designed specifically for augmented reality and high-resolution document scanning. The rear camera feature is an upgraded wide-angle sensor paired with a dedicated LiDAR scanner, allowing the iPad Mini 8 to instantly map physical 3D environments with incredible depth accuracy. This opens up massive opportunities for architects, interior designers, and mobile creators who need to generate instant spatial blueprints or place interactive 3D assets into real-world spaces. The camera system on the iPad Mini 8 handles low-light photography effortlessly, utilizing advanced computational photography pipelines to eliminate image noise and capture crisp color fidelity, making document digitization and field photo verification faster and clearer than ever before. As we examine the thermal design and internal layout, it becomes clear that Apple engineered the interior of the iPad Mini 8 with extreme precision to handle extended high-performance workloads. A custom vapor chamber cooling mechanism is integrated directly beneath the logic board, rapidly pulling heat away from the main processor and spreading it evenly across the rear titanium chassis. This passive thermal management system means the iPad Mini 8 operates in complete silence, avoiding the noisy cooling fans found in high-end laptops while maintaining incredible clock speeds during long gaming sessions or heavy video export renders. You get raw, unthrottled desktop-level processing in a device that fits comfortable into your jacket pocket, completely changing how you think about mobile computing limits. When comparing the iPad Mini 8 against the broader tablet market and competing foldable mobile devices, the distinct advantages of a dedicated ultra-compact slate become immediately obvious. Foldable phones, while innovative, still struggle with screen crease durability, compromised battery sizes, and high manufacturing costs that make them fragile for long-term power usage. The iPad Mini 8 offers a rigid, uncompromising, highly durable display surface backed by the unrivaled depth of the iPadOS app ecosystem. App developers optimize their professional software specifically for iPad screen layouts, meaning applications like Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, Procreate, and Photoshop run with desktop-grade UI layouts on the iPad Mini 8 rather than blown-up smartphone layouts. This makes the device a true productivity tool rather than just a luxury media viewer. Security and user authentication on the iPad Mini 8 have been streamlined through a dual-method authentication approach that offers both speed and maximum data privacy. Depending on configuration telemetry, Apple is pairing an ultra-fast under-display Touch ID sensor with an enhanced Face ID system hidden seamlessly beneath the top bezel layer. This flexibility allows you to unlock your iPad Mini 8 instantly regardless of whether it is resting flat on a desk, mounted in a vehicle dashboard, or held in your hand while wearing gloves or face coverings. Your biometric data remains fully encrypted within the secure Enclave processor inside the iPad Mini 8, ensuring your personal files, sensitive work documents, and private communications remain completely secure against external threats. The economic positioning and pricing strategy surrounding the launch of the iPad Mini 8 indicate that Apple intends to capture both budget-conscious tech enthusiasts and high-end creative professionals. By offering versatile base storage tiers with faster unified memory configurations, the entry-level iPad Mini 8 delivers unmatched value per dollar compared to oversized smartphones or bulkier laptops. When you factor in the extended software support cycle typical of Apple Silicon, buying an iPad Mini 8 becomes a multi-year investment that holds its operational value exceptionally well. Content creators, students, and business executives can rely on this compact tablet to remain fast, secure, and feature-rich through multiple major OS updates down the line. Environmental engineering and sustainability play a central role in the physical manufacturing process of the iPad Mini 8 as well. The enclosure is constructed using 100% recycled aluminum and titanium elements, while the internal circuit boards utilize fully recycled gold, copper, and rare earth elements. The packaging for the iPad Mini 8 has been streamlined into an ultra-compact, plastic-free fiber box that minimizes shipping carbon footprints across global supply routes. This commitment to sustainable engineering ensures that the high-end performance and cutting-edge display technology inside the iPad Mini 8 do not come at the expense of environmental responsibility, setting a high standard for the consumer electronics industry moving forward. From a daily usability standpoint, the iPad Mini 8 shines brightest when integrated into an existing multi-device ecosystem. Thanks to advanced software features, The iPad Mini 8 transitions effortlessly between acting as a standalone handheld workstation and functioning as a high-resolution wireless secondary display for your laptop. You can drag and drop high-resolution files, copy text across devices instantaneously, or switch your keyboard and cursor focus from a main desktop setup directly onto the iPad Mini 8 screen without a single second of lag. This level of cross-device continuity makes the tablet an indispensable asset for multitaskers who need to keep reference material, communication channels, and creative notes active simultaneously. As production lines scale up and official release announcements draw near, the anticipation surrounding the iPad Mini 8 continues to build across the global tech community. It represents the perfect synthesis of ultra-portable hardware design, cutting-edge display engineering, raw processing power, and intelligent software integration. Whether you're a longtime fan of the smaller form factor or someone looking for the ultimate compact device to simplify your daily mobile setup, the iPad Mini 8 promises to set a brand new benchmark for what a handheld device can accomplish. Keep your eyes on upcoming supply chain developments, because the next generation of compact power computing is officially right around the corner, ready to revolutionize how you work, create, and play wherever life takes you.